What's going on, guys? Swift Rising Sun back here again, and well, I got a package in the mail, and this is a must-have for the Acura Integra. I did order a couple other things and already put them on. I'm sorry I haven't posted that. It's been about 4 months. I'm super sorry, but I do have the other things on the car, and I will show you them in the next video, but this is a must-have for the Acura. So I'm kind of unboxed it already, but I'll show you what it is. So this is a sliding armrest, and this is universal, and pretty much it's for any car. And I made sure to double check, so this is supposedly, air quotes, supposed to work for the Integra. I did not get this color. That's an awful color. I don't know why they sent me this color, but it's not. It's just the box. But yeah, I'd open just to make sure they didn't send me that color. So go ahead and open this, and the quality is actually pretty good. So as you can see, I went with the black with the red stripes to match the Acura. So go ahead and pull this out here, set this aside, and inside you get the plate that it sits on. You get this, and then they give you an instruction booklet. Oh, it's a little upside down. So, I mean, it's self-explanatory. Really don't need this, but I just want to make sure it fit for the Acura. So I'm hoping it works. So we'll find out. But I just had to make sure I got the right colors. So supposedly this opens and closes. So you have this, and then you have your plate that screws on top like this, and then you put the 4 screws in here. So go ahead and screws. Sorry about this. And then you have this. And then you have your screws. Oop. Come on, focus. Okay. And then these black things are your stoppers for right here. And then you have the center console. As you can see. It's not too bad. The leather is pretty soft, so. But this slides out like this, and then and get it to open here. Doing this one hand here. And it opens. And here you have the inside. Not too bad. And then you have your cup holder. It's adjustable. So you could take, for instance, drink. Fits perfectly in there. And it adjusts. And then you have a removable ashtray. Oops. That's the top. Okay, here we go. Like I said, this is hard doing with one hand. So, but you have a removable ashtray, which is plastic, which I do not recommend. So, I don't see myself using this, but they do give the option for a cigarette holder or ashtray, and like I said, it is removable. So, but yeah, that's all that comes in it, and the red stitching is pretty nice. I looked over this thing multiple times, but yeah, it's not too bad. But once I get a chance to install it, I will show you guys the installation and my thoughts on it, and go from there. So stay tuned.